Hi, welcome back. So we are in chapter 2, the research from the start to the end, where we're going to discuss the implementation and approach to research. This chapter will have 3 sections. In the first section, we will look at research methodologies or paradigm. Then we will discuss the structure of research conduct, and finally, ethical factor and research. And of course, we'll be looking at conclusion on the chapter. Let's go ahead and explore the first section, research methodology or paradigm from philosophical review. This section will have 4 outlines. In the first outline, we'll have quick introductory. Then we will look at quantitative or positivist research paradigm. Then qualitative or interpretivist research paradigm. And finally, we're looking at quantitative and qualitative graphical review. First of all, to understand the definition of paradigm, it's quite important to see its element or component. To form a paradigm or a methodology in its nature, there are a few concepts you have to look quite carefully at. Number 1, thought. What does thought mean? It is an individual act or a product of thinking. Next, we have to look at the meaning of patterns. It means any regular, repeated arrangement, especially a design made from repeated lines, shapes, colors, or on a surface. Then we must understand the definition of theory. And that means is a carefully thought out explanation for observation of the natural world that has been constructed using the scientific method and which brings together many facts and hypotheses. Then the definition of postulates, and that means to suggest or to assume the existence or the fact or truth of something as a basis for reasoning or discussion or belief. Finally, the definition of standards. That means something established by authority or custom or tradition or general consent as a model or example or a point of reference. Now, these elements, all of them together, interestingly, if you circle them out, you will come with an intercept between all of them. And that's exactly the definition of paradigm. It means a distinct set of concept or thought patterns, including theories and method and postulates and standards for what constitute a legitimate contribution to a field. So I hope this graphical introduction to the definition of paradigm, it gives you an opportunity to see the element of paradigm. So as a conclusion now, we are able to understand once we bring the subject of research methodology or research paradigm. Either way, that means we are looking at these elements individually in nature and the intercept between all of them to form that paradigm. So let's go ahead in the next outline and explore the world of quantitative or positivist research paradigm. We'll see you then.